Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload a video in CapCut. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store. From here you need to search for the CapCut and open CapCut. So once you open, you simply need to click on new project and then you need to select any video. So you can select any random video, so I'm going to select this one for example, or you can select any other video, so I'm going to select this one. And after that, click on create video and you can do anything. And after that, you simply need to click on this option to actually render the video. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.